Hey guys, my name is Dr. Sam, and recently I've had a few of you ask me about biotin and hair loss. I'm really excited to be talking about this because I did a wee bit of research and I'm going to give you the results on what the studies actually show. Specifically, what is biotin, where are the best places to get biotin from, and should you take biotin for hair loss? What is biotin? Biotin is an essential micronutrient. It is one of the B vitamins and is often marketed as vitamin B7 and coenzyme R. It is often recommended as a vitamin that is needed for beautiful hair and skin. Human tissues do not make biotin, although it is made by the bacteria that live in our gut. What foods do you get biotin from? Well, biotin is particularly high in brewer's yeast and in royal jelly. You can also find biotin in egg yolks, fish, meat, liver, seeds, nuts, and vegetables. I'll list all the foods in the description below. What is the link between biotin and hair loss? So biotin deficiency, when you don't have enough biotin in your body, can cause various symptoms, including hair loss, alopecia, conjunctivitis, dermatitis in the form of a scaly red rash around the eyes, nose, and mouth, and neurological symptoms such as depression, tiredness, hallucinations, and numbness and tingling of the extremities. Biotin deficiencies are generally considered rare in the Western world. What are the causes of biotin deficiencies? So people can either be born with genetic deficiencies, meaning they can't get enough biotin in their bodies, or it can be the result of another factor affecting their levels of biotin, like taking anti-epileptic medications or even isotretinoin tablets that you take for acne can reduce biotin in the body. I'll list most of the causes of biotin deficiency in the description for you. How do you know if you have a biotin deficiency? Well, the only way to truly know if you have a biotin deficiency is to test for the level in your blood. So a biotin deficiency is when you have a level of less than 100 nanograms per litre, and suboptimal biotin levels are between 100 and 400 nanograms per litre. Most doctors won't test you for this, however, as the treatments are far cheaper than the actual test. But if you can get it done, that would be really helpful because then a deficiency can be treated with nutritional supplements. So what is the dose of biotin supplements? The normal adult dose for someone who has biotin deficiency is 30 micrograms once daily. Should you take biotin for hair loss? The million-dollar question. I'll answer this very soon, I promise, but there is something you should know first before making that decision. There was a study looking at healthy women who complained of hair loss. It was found that 38% had biotin deficiency and 49% had suboptimal biotin levels, but 11% of them had a reversible cause of the biotin deficiency, meaning that they could sort out their hair loss without taking biotin. To date, there have been no randomized trials looking at the effect of giving biotin to people with hair loss. Generally, biotin is not recommended as a stock standard treatment because most people can get enough biotin naturally from their diet. What are the advantages and disadvantages of taking biotin supplements? The good news is there is no known toxicity of biotin and no reported cases of side effects from receiving high doses of the vitamin, so between 10 to 30 milligrams a day. It does seem to stop nails from splitting, but one drawback is that biotin can interfere with quite a few lab tests from your doctor, like thyroid hormone tests, heart blood tests, and other immunoassays. So it's extremely important to tell your doctor that you are taking biotin, otherwise they won't know how to interpret the blood results. So what is the bottom line, Dr. Sam? I don't really see a problem in taking biotin for hair loss, but personally I am a fan of getting nutrients from food sources rather than a tablet. And this is not only to save you money, but I don't like having to take tablets unless I absolutely have to. If you can stop any other causes of biotin deficiency, that might be very helpful for your hair loss. But just read through the causes I've linked in the description and see if any apply to you. If you have a reversible cause like smoking, please give it up and it may just help your hair loss. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button for new videos every single week, and hit the bell to get notified when I post new videos on Tuesdays. Please let me know in the comments, as always, what you enjoyed about this video or what you want to learn more about, and feel free to check out some of my other videos on here. I'll see you in the next video.